Hi, welcome back to Diesel Dave's YouTube channel. This is my latest update on my layout. Hope you like and share to others. Like I say, the last one I done was a bit to show what I was up to, but this one it gives you a little bit of a tour and gives you more details of what I'm actually going to try and do. This area, we start from the front here, and this is this side. This is where the new scrapyard is going to be. Like I say, at the moment all I've done is put the fire pit in, as you can see, and the hut. So I've got some fences, some other stuff to put in here. Like I say, this is all over the back there, so in time this will become alive. Over the back there, we bought a back scenery now, and that looks quite impressive. So that goes all the way along now, and it does look quite impressive when it all blends in well. As we come along here, I started working on this canal. This canal's come up a treat. I've got the level in at the moment. Still got to paint the rest of the boat and put some details on it, and then I've got to sort out all the waves of the water. As you see, there's a shopping trolley in there and some cones like you see on the old canals. So try to get it realistic as possible. Over the back there, I've still got a bit of work to do with the old scenery, but that will come down in time. My wife's been working on this church over here. This is the 3D church we got. It was just white when it came. So she's been painting it up and it's come quite a treat. She was telling me that she's still got to do the windows and actually, so that is something to look forward to in future videos, so something to look out. And plus there's going to be a wedding scene there and a graveyard in front, so looking forward to that. This area down here at the moment still stays the same, not too sure what I'm going to do with this area, but there's quite a lot of area here. And as you see on the left hand side here, I bought some a wedding scenery here, they were quite impressive. And I've got some graveyard signs to go into the graveyard. So look out for that in future videos. Over the back here now, I've worked this out. This has come up quite impressive. This is always in place at the moment all the way around. This is the old DP yard. Like I say, with the back scenery on the back behind the wall now, it does look quite impressive. So still loads more to do in this area here, but it gives you some idea what I'm actually up to. So I hope you enjoy this adventure I'm on. There's so much to do still, and there's so many things I can upgrade and improve. So this is Diesel Dave saying take care and stay safe.